Today I am planning to do some interesting task, and throughout the task I would like to record myself and just for fun. So basically this is a tool, it's called LogSeq. I don't know, maybe not so many people use LogSeq, but last few days I'm using this tool and I find this is a very interesting tool to track our daily tasks. It makes me much more productive, to be honest. So in this tool there are so many features, like anyway, I don't want to explain the features of this tool. What I am going to do is, okay, let me show you something first. If you click here and go to plugins, so here you can see those are the plugins I have installed for flexibility for my work. And if you click here, you can see there are a lot of plugins out there, and of course this plugin have different perspectives. People use them. I don't know how to create our own plugins. So today I actually made a plan to let's just create our own plugin for this tool. Anyways, so the name of the plugin I would like to use is word cleanse. So what's the idea behind it? So the idea is this plugin will help us to memorize some new words. For example, I initially have some database in Deutsch which can be useful, and how you can use it. For example, if any block, user can enter a command like word cleanse, and that will create a new HTML view which will be created in that block. For example, here I can use commands like this. If I hit this, I can just use any command like code block. If I hit code block, then it also tries to select something like this. So this, as you can see, a new block already created for code. Anyway, so similar like this. So I want to have a new command called word cleanse. Currently we don't have this command, but if we can perfectly develop the plugin, we will have it. So what's happened afterwards? In that view, firstly, a random popular word will be shown with some animations, just to check if a user already know these words. And then when user clicks on the word, then let's say we stop the animation and show some relevant informations like meaning, what is the parts of speech of this word, or maybe some pronunciations. I don't know, I still don't know. And then if user clicks again, now it will be work as a loop. A new random popular word will be shown again, and that's how it goes. So basically, I mean, there are so many good tools and applications to learn a new language or to enrich the vocabulary. So of course it's not my I mean the main goal to enrich the vocabulary. This task is more about for the learning how we can create a new plugin for LogSeq. So that's the main goal. And honestly, I don't have any idea or any knowledge to create a plugin for LogSeq. But nowadays we have so many um, AI tools like LLM models like ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, so many tools. We can seek help, and let's see. I will implement this with the help of those ChatGPT and Grok 3, and let's see how it goes. I actually did some pre-works. I had to prepare a data set, right? So what I did here, I downloaded a word frequency table from this URL. Also, I downloaded a dictionary dataset from this URL, and that is completely from Deutsch to English. And the dataset looks like this. We have a term in Deutsch. We have some meanings. Also, from the frequency, you see how much popular of this language. Anyway, so that's the introduction. Let's get started. Let's start developing a new plugin for LogSeq. I don't know. And what we can do, we can start using some AI tools and get some help from them. Let's see. I want to create a plugin for LogSeq. Write the whole implementation just to show what message. Let's see. Cool. So it already is showing me the project structure. It should be like this. The index.html, some index.ts file. Okay, looks good to me. Anyways, let's try to follow this. So basically we delete everything, and now we need to create several files. Let's split our screens so that we can do this faster. Now we need to do, okay, first of all, let's just hit this npm install to install dependencies. And meanwhile we can see what it's actually trying to do. What I can see, trying to register some kind of UI inside LogSeq, and here also has some console log so that you can see some logs beforehand, and it's an async function. That's that's interesting. And okay, so now that we have already installed this thing, and what we can do to build, we need to add this npm run build. Okay, so there is a problem. Let's just remove this thing. I don't need this right now. Okay, so here is a problem, right? It says the environment was originally created here. Something is wrong. Let's try to solve this using DeepSeek. Seems like the build is successful. What we can do, we can try something. Let's try adding this newly created plugin. Where is that? So it's hello world. Okay, it seems like it's already added to our plugins list, but can you see something here? So here I can see an error. It says that load parse package config error. Okay, illegal plugin package error, parse package following. Okay, let's load this plugin again, and we loaded it, and we have found some logo problem. I can see some log here. Hello world plugin is loaded. Something. Yeah, I can see the console log. That's good. That's good. Really good. Okay, now I can see the console log, and also I can just remove the what do you say, the icon thing. I think there are still somewhere. See here, the icon is mentioned. I just remove this, and yep. Now Now let's try to reload again. Uninstall. Wait. Just clear this thing again. Let's try to load again and okay. Now it says world cannot be resolved. Selector target app. Ah, we got a nice little HTML view here. That's a good start. That's a really good start. Okay, now we have successfully developed one Hello World program, Hello World plugin for LogSeq. That's a good start, I guess. And we can now focus on how we can show this. Okay, let's keep it that way. Now we can use DeepSeek to do the other stuff here. So let's try one thing. Let's say good, that worked. Now I want to modify this Hello World plugin with following features. Let's get these features. Can I copy this? Of course I can copy this. after several tries, I found another solution, and on DeepSeek, of course. Let's try to build this again. Cool. Yep. Nice. Let's try to reload this again. Uninstall the earlier one. Reload. Okay, seems like the wordless plugins is loaded now. Okay, let's try again. Ah, cool. Okay. Now, after hitting this command, I can have okay, the animation is not working, but I got a random word. Also, I got the translation, I got the burst of speech pronunciation from the database. Okay, let's try again. What's gonna happen? Okay, so basically I'm getting another one. Each time I hit a new command, it gives me a completely new word, which is good. So far so good, I guess. Okay, so let's try again, and I can see, yeah, every time I get a completely new word. Yeah, the animation is not working, but our newly created plugin is currently working. So what we can do, we can just add some animation, and here we can just create a HTML view. Also, as you know, we have prepared a bigger dataset. This dataset already contains like 80,000 words. We can use this dataset, potentially use this dataset. Yeah, cool. Now it's just need to create the animation part, or I don't know. The good thing is the plugin is working. So today we have learned how we can create a new plugin for LogSeq from completely zero knowledge, just using some help from AI tools like DeepSeek. And it's quite interesting, isn't it? Yeah, cool. Then have a nice day. See you around. Bye.